Hi everyone, greeting from Thailand. My name is Mendy. I am a Cookly brand ambassador. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Thai green curry paste. So first, let me introduce you to know all ingredients that we need for Thai green curry paste. The first one is Thai hot green chili. This will give the green color and the spicy taste. And this is why green curry is green. And the second one is turmeric. The turmeric will give a little bit of yellow color. My grandma told me that if you want to keep the paste longer, the turmeric will help the paste to stay green. And this one is coriander root. If you don't have the coriander root, you also can use the coriander stem. And this one is kaffir lime skin. This is a kaffir lime fruit, but we only use the skin. So I cut it to small pieces. It's easy to pound. Oh, and if you don't have the kaffir lime skin, you can also use the lime skin. It's just to give the aroma taste for the paste. And this is lemongrass. The lemongrass, I chop it to small pieces so it's easy to pound. And this is the garlic. And this is the shallot. I also chop it to small pieces. And this is galangal. The galangal, you can choose the one that is like white and young, not too young, a little bit old. And I cut it to small pieces. And this one is cumin seed. I toast it so the aroma oil can come out. And coriander seed, I toast it as well. White peppercorns. And this is the main act. This is called kapi or shrimp paste. And the sweet basil leaves. I use the sweet basil leaf because I want my curry to be a little bit more green. And salt. Now let's start with the first process. So what I'm having here, this one called mortar and pestle. So let's start with the first one. We're gonna start powdered with the dry ingredient first. So we're gonna start with coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and white peppercorns. Powder it. So we're going to powder it until it's like a powder. Keep going, guys, keep going. Almost there. Yes. So I'm going to show you how to make, how does it look? Here. Ooh, like a powder. The next one will be lemongrass. So as I said from the really beginning, I slice it to small pieces. And next, we put galangal and a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt will help to absorb all the liquid from the lemongrass and the galangal, so the liquid doesn't go into your eyes. That's why we put salt. So keep pounding. If you have your kids at home, your husband, or your family, actually everyone can come help, Now it's all mixed together. Okay, so next one we're going to put the kaffir lime skin. and garlic, and coriander roots, turmeric. Oh, and the chili. So I'm going to cut the chili to small pieces, so it's easy to pound if we cut to small pieces. Okay. When you pounding all the herbs together, the way to protect your eyes is to put the right hand cover the mortar and use the use the left hand to close the mortar and use the right hand to hold the pestle and pound it. And you can change to the left hand if your right hand getting tired. Halfway. I wish my roommate is here so I can call her and she can also help me pound it. Hey Fungi! Fungi!
Yes.
Can you come help me? Okay, I need to pound this until it's all mixed together and it's become a paste. She's really strong. I think she's stronger than me. Okay, I think we are good. Yes.
Yeah.
And we are going to put this one. Thai sweet basil to make our...
Maybe you can show me.
Yes. Yes, you can show. See, she's stronger than me. This is so heavy, guys. Seriously.
Really heavy.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I call you again when I need you. Okay, this is Thai sweet basil leaves. I'm going to put in and shrimp paste. Shrimp paste. Okay, shrimp paste in. This time it's easier because the leaf is quite easy to pound. When it's almost everything mixed together, the last one, the last one will be shallot. Why do I put shallot at the end? So you can only cry at the end.
Let's do it.
Okay, guys. Our green curry paste look beautiful. So green, but it's not too green because we put a little bit of turmeric. But trust me, the color will stay green like this because as I explained from the very beginning that the turmeric will help the chili paste to stay green. Wow. This is my green curry paste. Leave me the comments below what you want me to cook with it. Maybe I can give you some option like Thai green curry with chicken or stir-fry rice with green curry paste. So leave me the comments below and I will reply to all of you. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.